In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11S, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on this device. So first of all, just reach Settings, then find and select Account and Sync, and here you've got Google account connected. To remove it, mark it, tap on More, and click on Remove Account. Then confirm that you would like to get rid of this account, tap on OK, provide your pattern or fingerprint, and that's it. As you can see, it's no longer connected. Then if you would like to add Google account, click on Accounts and Sync again, and click on Add Account then. Now choose Google. Obviously you need to be connected to Wi-Fi, otherwise you will not be able to perform this action, and then enter your email number, and click on Next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And then tap on Next. And then decide if it's your device or your heroes. Tap on Next. Agree with all the terms and conditions listed here by Google. Tap on Accept. And that's it. You've already added your Google account that's located here. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.